Hi, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bath bomb gift. So what we've got today, we've got a foil bag and we're going to fill it up with lots of little bath bombs. Here we go, look how beautiful these are, look. This bag size should take about 15, which is very inexpensive, so it makes a lovely little gift. I'm just going to pull that tight like that. Isn't that lovely already? So I've got some two lots of ribbon. I've got a lilac and a gold, which I'm just going to tie around into a nice bow, just to make it a little bit more special. There we go. And pull that tight. There you go, a nice finish then. That looks very nice already, doesn't it? So I'm just going to trim that little bit down. So that is. And as you see there, that's how it looks like that, look. And now I'm going to make a gift tag to go on there. So what I've just got some old brown card. And I'm just going to cut it into a oblong shape like this. You can make these for wedding favours, for birthday parties. Make such a nice gift. And what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to cut the corners off like this. And then it looks like a luggage tag. I'm just going to put a hole in here. Oops. I'm going to go put a hole in there like that there. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to thread it on. And we're going to tie it with the purple one. And I've just got a little knot in it. Like that. All you can do then, look, is just write your gift message on there to your mum or dad or anybody you like. Thank you for watching us today. Please subscribe to our channel.